Like after that, we will see A plus content creation, right? Here we will see while using our high selling keywords and like high ranking keywords, we optimize or like we create our A plus content, right? So firstly, we will see like what is A plus content, why is important to us, right? Firstly, we will see it's a enhanced product description, which is having a rich kind of your images, comparison charts, text, and etc. Right. Secondly, the it improves SEO and ranking in Amazon search. Later, we will see how and like how we use for the purpose for the SEO purpose, right? Third, builds brand credibility and reduce returns. That's obvious thing. Like if you are having some kind of the product images or the product description in a wide range of the images and comparison charts and text, definitely it reduces your returns and builds brand credibility, right? For our main purpose for the A plus content is only improve SEO and ranking in Amazon search as an expert on the Amazon. Right? If you are putting any kind of the image, that is okay, fine. If you are not putting any kind of the SEO formatting in A plus content, then there is no use for the A plus content. Right? Yes. We will see like what is A plus content and how it looks like A plus content on our listing page. And then no worry, we will see later on. Right. So there are some few step-by-step guidance for the A plus content. Right. Firstly, we will see collect product assets. Definitely high quality images, lifestyle shots, and infographics. These are the main things for our like A plus content asset. After that, write compiling copy, right? You can highlight your USP benefits and you can just storytelling tone while you are typing your description or the image highlights and the image body part. You can just create your things, your USP, your benefits as and the storytelling tones, right? So if wire will choose like if I go for the A plus content, if I read, so definitely they attach or like they find something new in your product. Like if you are having some kind of the storytelling, like this kind of the fabric we use, these are the this fit and this one is the benefit of these products. So definitely if it looks kind of the attaching to one by one each frames. So like storytelling tone is necessary for the like compiling the copies, right? Thirdly, design modules. Use comparison charts, banners, and question and answer sections if you are have any case. If you are not, then there is no issue. You can use your multiple kind of the lifestyle shoots, infographics, or some kind of the images of the particular modules, right? After that, there is a one Amazon guidance you have to just follow. Like I generally prefer 970 by 600 pixels and the 970 by 300 pixel images for my A plus content. Right. After that, there are some minimum and maximum module limits for our brand registered. Those who are having a brand registration, those who can file the A plus content only, right? Those who are having a brand registration, they can only file the A plus content, right? After that, the A plus content have a limitations, like you can just modify it by the maximum limit of 5 or 7, in between 5 to 7, right? Some accounts having a some 5 modules limit and some accounts have a 7 module limit. After that, if there is some kind of the uses and something, we will just discuss later on. Okay, was the uses for the A plus content and the brand story. Brand story we will cover in the later part, right? So as I already told you, like tips for the experts, like we use the SEO keywords naturally, right? Secondly, the highlight value proportion in the top modules. Use visual hierarchy, definitely the hero images or kind of the hero images for your benefit showing or something kind of the future showing, or you can also use the comparison charts as well. So we're gonna use the high selling keywords and high ranking keywords in the heading and the body tags as well. We use both in the keyword section. Now we will see. how A plus content looks like in our Amazon page, like in the front end. And later on, we will see how can you find these HSK and HRK keyword, HRK, and how you use in the A plus content step by step, right? Yes. So here we go. Yes. This is my account, and yes, this is having a product. Below the product description, those please note that those who are having a plus content and like uploaded A plus content, there is no need. They Amazon will not show the product description below or like upon the A plus content. You will see here the your A plus content in the product description, right? If you are not having a A plus content on your product, then definitely it's shows your product description here. If you are having a A plus content, it only shows your A plus content, not your product description, right? So your basic A plus content it looks like this, right? These are the comparison charts, and this one is about brand. This is a product. This is the features, and this one, this, right? So this is how your A plus content looks like. Now we will see how you can create your A plus content on your listing on your account, right? Firstly, go on the advertising A plus content. I just quickly open a notepad or a Word file so I can just update it over there and send it over the video so you can just simply access them. Yes. Yeah. So we just want to create a new A plus content, right? Start creating A plus content. So here is two options, basic and brand story. Brand story we will cover on later part. Now we will see the basic part. Create basic A plus content, right? Firstly, you have to just write your content name. I just give if you are uploading some kind of the specific A sign A plus content, so make sure you just upload the A sign over there. So you can just later on, okay, if you are seeing that particular A sign on the A plus content page, so you will define, ke, yes, this product having a, this A plus content. So you can just simply uh, find out by their A sign name, right? I just quickly. Yes, so yes, here is my ASIN. I just quickly open it, and you will see here there is no A plus content, so that's why it shows the brand like product description, right? So this is my ASIN, so we need to just put A plus content over this ASIN. So I just copy it. You can just copy the variation if you are having the variation for that particular. Uh, I just click over the variation family details and I copy the parent ASI, paste it over there. Yes. After that, there's some kind of the modules, right? Here is the editor and the preview option. There's a language. It's a EBC, like EBC content type. It's a draft, zero applied ASI. Last activity is 25th, 10th, right? So here is some editor and the preview. Whatever you do in your editor section, you can just see over there the mobile view and the desktop view, right? So firstly, we will see add modules. So in the add modules, there are some kind of the modules which you can use for your A plus content, right? Each module is having a different kind of the image dimensions. So make sure you having some kind of the dimensions. Follow the dimensions which Amazon recommend to the particularly like the images, right? We generally prefer one module, this one, standard image header with text, and second module with the standard image and dark text overlay, right? We generally prefer these two only modules for our product, right? And you can use the multiple kind of the things, like if you are having some kind of multiple kind of features, you can just show this way, like having some kind of four images, then definitely you can use the standard four image slash text quadrant, right? Whatever you want, like to prefer on your related to your product, you can just simply like select any kind of the module. So I just simply select this one, and I simply select this one, right? So yes. So here I will see there are some heading over there, and after that the heading, the after that the body text, right? And if we see the second one, the image and dark text overlay, it shows a heading and body text, right? If your image, like we will see like how, yes, so now we'll see how you can upload the those images you have created on the for the A plus content, right? Later on we will see like what are my headings, and what am I heading this one, and what should I do for the body text, right? So I simply just click on this click to add images, and here is shows, if you are not aware with the dimensions, it will shows add images which is having a 970 by 600 pixels minimum, right? So you cannot upload the image which is lower than these dimensions, right? After that you will say upload images. So we have images in my file. So I simply, yes, it will take some more time if your internet is not good edge, right? So be patient for that. Yes, yes, here is your image. Then here is your SEO task is begin, right? Here is the alt text. Alt text means, in a simple way, your keywords. If you want to know like what's the exactly mean of the alt text, you can just click on this I button. So here will shows like what's the alt text or what's the text, right? It will your as simple as your keywords. This is the text tags which you can define the what kind of the image you have, this particular image, what kind of this thing having, right? So after that, here is our main funda or like main working start for the A plus content, right? Now here we will see we have this product, right? And we just want to rank my listing health as well, right? And my product ranking as well. So I first simply go with the like category link targeting, right? In the category, and if I see the below the products, yes, so it's style plus size, okay, and it's a best selling. You can just choose the ASI. So like simply here we will see like are competitors who are selling in the same pricing or some kind of the same structure, where the list reviews kind of your pricing and etc. Right? So we just do a competitive research over there, like as we same way we do for the listing creation or the listing optimizations part. If you can simply do the same thing whatever you do with your listing optimization part, right? So yes, yeah, no issue. I just simply go with there. Like my price is 799, so I can go with the 799 pricing as well, right? So it's Colosia. Okay, I can go with this one also. It's a knee designer. Mm, okay, okay, part three. Okay, you can also search with the Amaya, right? So I just do a quick search or like quick research with these one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. My seven is right. So hopefully you already know what the second step, right? So I quickly follow that process for the Sevora or like for the Cerebro purpose. Yes, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is seventh. Right. Hit click on the get keyword. Right. It's taking some time for the like. Yes. Yes. So here you will see the 18,953 keywords over there, right? So you can just simply do a filter, one or two kind of the filter you can use. The search volume is you can use the 2000. Yes, the minimum 2000 and uh, competitor rank average. Later we will see like by the help of the Excel apply filter. Right now it shows me a 1893 keywords. So I'll just simply download the XLSX file. Yes, yes. Now my file is going to start downloading. Right here, you will not require these columns. So you can just simply remove those. Here you can use, you will have a use of CPR ranking. And yes, I just simply create a one column first ranking and use a count if formula having a range this to this. I want less than 99 data, right? Yeah. Yes, here we go. I just simply do a filter. Yes. And here we will. use the data which is having 6 and 7, right? And we also use the search volume, like those are having a zero keyword, zero search volume. I just simply remove that. And yeah, okay. So I just simply go okay, right? Whatever my keywords, like it's a 505 keywords we have, right? So we will do a first priority on those keywords which are having us seven, seven. Yes, like which is present in all the listings, right? We go with all 128 keywords. I just go the ranking keywords and my mm, ranking keywords. Sorry, CPR keywords, right? So I just simply select and copy over here, right? Yes. After that, we will go with the CPR thing. Firstly, we go like in the first ranking. I just simply remove the all the filters, clear. Go on the CPR, just unselect that 8 one and like you can just use the filter number filter of the between. So sorry, between between. So I just want the data which is having a 9 and which is less than most probably 45 or 50 you can choose. I choose the 50, right? Yes. And now here you will see your search result, right? Search volume. You just want the search volume which is having like higher than or greater than or equals to 1000, right? Yes. So here is the data which is having a somewhat around greater than 1000. It's showing the 2305 keywords. So you can just little bit narrow down the uh, search volume. So greater than equals to. So you can just select that 10,000. It's a 10,000. Yes, 10,000. Yes, it's showing here like 230 keywords, right? If you are also want to like narrow down the keywords which you are using for the CPR, and later on we will see what is CPR, right? It's a perfect time to know the CPR. CPR means estimated number of units that need to be sold over 8 days. Over 8 days, resulting from a search for this keyword in order for the product to rank on half of page one of this keyword. Right? It means like lower the CPR, it's a greater for your product, right? If the keyword is relevant to your product, right? If the CPR is high, then you can bid for that particular like keyword, or you can just implement uh, in your listing as well. But you just focus those who are having less CPR. I just copy over there, okay, like CPR less is great, zero is okay, one is great, EAT, 10 is bad, right? Yes. So here you can just select those keywords which are having a high search volume and and also include in the ranking keyword also, right? So if you want, you can just do a filter, highlight duplicates, and yes, then select filter. You can use. Oh, great! So perfect. So there is no as such duplicates over here, right? So you can just simply select copied and like go in the Cerebro, like in the product listing optimization keyword processor, right? It's a keyword processor. So you just simply paste it over here, right? So you just need some kind of the product number, remove commons, yes, process. So it will give you these uh, 7 to 1 keywords into 40 keywords, right? In the 40 keywords, you can also like remove that ladies, suit, set, and Excel. Yeah, perfect. This one. Seller, ethnic, lady, dupatta, woman. There's a lot of women, right? Woman. So you can just simply remove that woman, dress, long tradition, kurta. You can just, if you are having some kind of less data, so you can go with them manually. If you are having some large and big amount of the data, so you can just go with the chat GPT or some the AI tools. Which AI tool you prefer, you can use that, right? If like my module having a each module having 100 character limit for the A plus content, right? For A plus content, each module having a 100 character limit. So you can use that, right? I'm not like just ignore my spelling mistakes, right? Yes. Yes. So here we have only the 228 characters. So we if we use uh, like modules, so you can just have a 500 character limits, right? So we require more. So we can just go for the listing that uh, and I just choose 5 and 6 and I simply go with the search volume number greater than equals to I just uh, 5,000, right? I simply select all the keywords for 6 and 7 ranking. I just simply use the 5, 6 and 7, right? Yes. And then my search volume is greater than or equals to 5,000. That's perfect. Okay. So I simply select my keywords and paste it over here. And I do one filter also. Yes, I simply go format duplicates. Yes. So as you can see, the CPR keywords are the totally kind of the like uh, your copy or like duplicate keywords. So in between these, I use the name. It is CPR2. I just in the CPR2 keyword, right? Use the filter. So sorry. Yes, do a color filter. I just simply remove those right in between these. Yes, yes. I just simply clear filter from this, right? Put the set. Yes. Then what I do, I just go and select my all, my like, yes, perfect. And I simply paste it over here and just click on the process, right? Now it will give me 353 keywords, right? And somewhat around my this keyword is not here. This also red is also and some space. Women's yes. Chudidar, ethnic wear, fancy, traditional. Okay, all are perfect, right? Here is our task begins. So, what I need to fill over the like in the alt text, right? Just do a selection for that particular, go on that, paste it over here, right? If you are having some kind of the exceed limit, if I just do paste over there, it shows me the exceeded character limit, right? So I simply do a yes, and here is the tags, right? What my image and like what my product is have, I can use for the tags also. Like it's a kurta set with plazo, so I use kurta set with plazo, mm, plazo, kurta set, women's fashion, woman kurta, yes, right? So you can just hit the add button. Right? Here you will see like how many characters you are remaining in the particular keyword, right? So it shows me 23 characters we are remaining. So I just simply select and do paste it over here, right? Go on the last, paste it over here. So that is a fine case if you are having some two characters left, remaining two characters. So no issue. You can just simply click the add button, right? Later on, if you are like deal with the headings or like body tags, that is okay. If you are not, that is also perfectly okay. There's no difference between if you are not uploading the body tags and the headline. So there is some uh, like SEO effects or something kind of that. SEO effects based on the keywords which you have put it over here, right? And definitely, like if you have put the some kind of the details or the description of your product over the body text and the headline, definitely it will helps to our product to identify or like buyers to identify more particularly related with the product, right? So here I am not using any kind of the body text on the heading, right? If you are going to use, you can use those keywords and use the chat GPT or you whatever the AI tools you use, you can simply use that particular thing for creating the A plus content, description, body line, and the body text and the headline, right? I simply go with the A plus content. So I yes, second one. Right. For those like 5 modules, you can use the same method like for the uploadation of the image or the creative, you can use the same method, Right, here is my text. I just simply where we will cover stylish palazzo, tags, woman suit, fancy, kurti, party, wear, kurtis, palazzo, kurtis, yes, add. So here are some 25 characters are remaining. So I just simply designers. Mhm. Yes. So I remove the designer word. Yeah, no issue. Click hit on add. Right. So you can just add the maximum of one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Right. You can use the maximum modules. You can use the seven. Right. If you are having a somewhat around new account, so you are access for the only the five modules. Right. I simply remove those modules. Yes. And later on, the preview, you can just simply go with the preview, like how your A plus content looks like while you are uploading the creatives, right? Hit apply ASIN. So we use the content name for the parent ASIN. We just simply copy the content name and just paste it over here, right? So here is the shows like it's having some kind of your like variation. So here you will paste it over the parent ASIN. So that's why it's showing the whole my child ASIN over there, right? I just simply apply content, right? In the below of the this section applied ASIN. So it's showing me a 13 ASIN has been applied over the A plus content. I just review and submit. So it's a review like these ASINs have been targeted over the A plus content, and it will look like in the mobile view, and it will look like this in a desktop view, right? So simply go and submit for approval. Right? Yes, your changes, your content was successfully submitted for the approval, right? So it will take hardly like minimum for the 10 minutes or maximum for the 24 hours, right? You will see, yes, it's now, no. It will not like, I just quickly refresh that page. Yes, it will showing me a approved, right? Yes. Yeah. So here we will see how you can use the A plus content and in the terms of the SEO keywords, how you can use the SEO keywording on the A plus content. Right? Most of the sellers or like most of the agency owners or the freelancer doesn't know okay, like how you can use the purpose, how you can use A plus content for the purpose for the SEO, right? If you can also like recheck this like while you are uploading the A plus content within 24 hours, you can just see your listing health score, right? If you are having a somewhat around 7 listing score after implementing the A plus content with the SEO thing, your listing score will be above 8, right?